Reached our airport. We had a really early morning flight. It was 4:45 a.m. flight. So we reached around 2:30. Anyway, we were just killing time at the airport and waiting for our boarding time. Reached Hyderabad at 7:30 a.m. We had a connecting flight, so it was from Mumbai to Hyderabad to Guwahati. Our next flight to Guwahati was at 9 o'clock, so we are killing time here at the airport as well. Mumbai to Hyderabad to Guwahati. Finally, 3 more hours. No, 3 more hours to reach Guwahati. Then from Guwahati to Shillong. So our destination is Meghalaya.
OMG. अजून काय?
Okay, we are not trolling anyone. It's just a mimicry, a very harmless one.
कुठे चालली आउटफिट चेक झालंय. अरे देवा मी चॅम्पियनला असं.
Reached Guwahati around 12 o'clock, 12:30. The airport was crowded, crazy crowded. I think there was some festival that had just begun in Assam, and there was a Coke Studio event happening at the airport as well. So it took a lot of time for us to leave the airport itself. Were hungry, so Uncle Chips and some munch did the job. Not so well, but we managed. Cameraman, assistant number 2, assistant intern, not even assistant. After landing at Guwahati, on our way we had our lunch, and then we were welcomed with this gamcha or gamosa in Assami language, if I'm not wrong. Basically, it's a symbol of respect, honor, and a welcome, often presented to the guest. A quick stop at Umiam Lake. It's basically a man-made reservoir located in the hills about 15 kilometers north of Shillong in Meghalaya. This lake is surrounded by East Khasi Hills, and this is what our guide told us. Umiam in local Khasi language means water of tears. As this place has become a major tourist attraction in Meghalaya, there are certain water sport activities available here. So if you want to spend some more time, you can definitely check out those activities. This place is on till 5 p.m. And we have reached our hotel, located in the midst of the city, 20 minutes away from Police Bazaar. Got our room, so room tour time. Love the room, quite spacious. It was a triple occupancy accommodation, so it was me, my mother, and my cousin sister. So according to that, the rooms were quite spacious. The bathroom looks quite aesthetic, so does the rest of the room. I'm loving it so far. So we had this amazing balcony, and from balcony we had this beautiful city view. Loved it. Unfortunately, we couldn't really spend much time on this balcony. We were here for 2 nights, and it was a hectic schedule. So by the end, we would come back to our room and just sleep.
कुणीतरी शिट्टी वाजवली असं काय वाटलं? कोई तो आया है.
Day 2 coming up in next video. We'll see you guys soon.